Need to scan and send a document using the Outlook mobile app? Let's go through the steps together. First, open the Outlook app on your phone. Tap on the Compose Email button to start a new message. Now, enter the recipient's email address. In the subject line, type something simple, like scan. Next, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the camera icon. A menu will appear. From the options, choose Scan. Position your phone's camera over the document you want to scan. The app will capture it. After scanning, you can crop the document to remove any extra edges. You can also sign the document directly on the screen if a signature is required. In addition, Outlook allows you to reduce the image size before sending, which is helpful if the file is too large. When you're happy with the document, tap Send. The scanned document is now attached and sent through Outlook instantly. That's all it takes to scan and send a document using the Outlook mobile app.